Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Amy. So, this module that we're still on is on advanced relapse prevention. We're concentrating on the relapse prevention model and breaking it down. And in doing so, if you look at the model, which I've shown you more than a few times, you will see in more than one place that your response to things should be by employing adaptive coping responses. See? Keeps you from a lapse or perhaps a relapse. Today we're going to look at problem solving, which you need in order to use these adaptive coping skills. Think of a problem as a skill that you acquire through learning and through experience and practice. The more problems you solve, the more advanced your skills will be, like with anything. Problems can have many solutions. It is important to think of as many solutions as possible prior to making a decision. Be sure to think about your problem. Don't rush. Failure to take time in thinking about a good solution for your problem may only result in more problems. All right. So here are some reactions that people often have to problems that are difficult to resolve. People feel angry. They feel annoyed. They avoid the problem altogether, which, as you know, only causes more problems. You might feel confused. You might just do anything to get it over with and get it done, which again can just cause more problems. You might feel doubtful. You might feel like just giving up. You might feel discouraged, feeling like you can't make the best decision anyway. You might feel frustrated and inadequate, put down, questioning, restless, sad. You might sleep a lot. Sometimes people sleep to avoid solving their problems or to avoid issues in their life. You might feel tense, uncertain, uncomfortable, unhappy, uptight, wanting to escape, or you might feel very worried. All of these things are very normal when you come up against problems that are difficult to solve. Think of some reactions that you've had in the past to problems that were difficult to solve. Try putting your problem into a question form. This may help you simplify your problem and give you a foundation for thinking of solutions. Once you have a few good solutions in mind, decide which you think will work best, put your solution into action, and determine whether the result will actually solve the problem or not. If the solution doesn't work, you need to look at why and try again. Fact finding is a very important part of problem solving. Maybe ask other people who have been through a similar circumstance or a similar experience and see how they solve their problems. But remember, in the end, the decision is yours. All right, there are 6 basic steps to solving problems. Number 1, ask yourself, do I really have a problem? Is the problem directly related to you? And does it merit your attention? You might ask yourself this question and you might find out that there is no problem for you to solve at all. Number 2, ask yourself, what is the actual problem? Describe the problem. Some who, where, what questions are good to ask yourself here. Number 3, ask yourself, what can I do about it, or what do I want to happen? This is where some brainstorming comes in and you start to come up with some ideas. Think about what you want, some possible solutions, no matter how outrageous they are, and write them down if that helps. Number 4, pick the best solution, the best idea, and consider what the consequences will be by using that idea or solution. Number 5, try it out. And number 6, then ask yourself, did it work? Did it solve the problem? If not, you need to go back to the drawing board, right? Okay, next time I'm going to talk about interventions to avoiding a lapse And since today we spoke about problem solving, look for a brain teaser problem solving exercise on Facebook and Twitter. I will post that hopefully today. All right. Until next time, please subscribe to this channel. Please feel free to reach out to me through Facebook, through Twitter, through Instagram, or through this channel. Many of you have done that before. I appreciate comments, questions, constructive criticism. And if you would like to, please share these videos with someone who you think they can help. And until next time, be well.